I have made the masala doodh. It turned out really good. Hi guys, welcome back to CRAFTY. This is Devyani and welcome to Diwalog. So today I am vlogging and Diwali aa rahi hai, Kojagiri aa rahi hai. So I thought I should make masala doodh. So I'm making the powder for the masala doodh and I hope it turns out good because मैंने कभी बनाया नहीं है. So this is my first try at it. So yeah, let's get started with making it. Also the same old, subscribe करो, bell icon दबा दो, follow me on all my social media, links will be down in the description box, and yes, let's get started. Also one more thing I forgot to tell you guys कि मसाले दूध में you put on a lot of sugar, but मेरे घर पे ज़्यादा कोई sugar खाता नहीं है, तो I'm gonna make it with less sugar. तो जैसे भी अगर किसी को चाहिए होगा तो they can put the sugar in, but yeah, recipe में I'm putting only a little bit of sugar. So yes, that's out there. Let's go and make it now. So this is all you need. I'm gonna put pista, kaju, badam, sugar, a little bit of it, and nutmeg and cardamom powder into the mixie, and then just mix it into a powder. So that is how the powder turned out, and now all you have to do is take milk and add in some sugar if you want as per your taste, and then add in 2 or 3 spoons of this powder in it, and it tastes really good guys, cold as well as hot. So I hope you really like this. Let me know if you try it out. Yes guys, I'm done with the masala doodh wala powder and I'm gonna make masala doodh tomorrow for Kojagiri, and I hope everyone likes it. Also अगर उसमें से कुछ बचा तो I'm gonna use it in Diwali as well. Sweets के अंदर भी you can put it. So yes, you can store it if you want. If you make a larger batch, you can store it in the fridge and use it whenever you want. So that is really great. Also, I don't know, this was a really short vlog for Diwalog, so I hope you really liked it. And yes, a happy Kojagiri to all of you. Have fun, and yes, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.